In this session, we are going to discuss about models of a complex number and argument of a complex number. Argument of Z. Z equal to -1 minus I root 3. So now I'm going to finding about the modulus of a given complex number. For this, consider Z equal to -1 minus I root 3. In this given complex number, the real part is -1, the imaginary part is minus root 3. So mod Z equal to square root of a square plus b square, where a equal to -1, so -1 whole square, and b equal to minus root 3 whole square, minus root 3 whole square, are equal to 1 plus 3, square root of 4 is equal to 2. So mod Z equal to 2. The next one is argument of a complex number, but we know that Z equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here R is nothing but mod Z value. R is nothing but mod Z. So R is equal to, we have 2 and Z is given as -1 minus I into root 3. So R is 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta. So -1 minus I into root 3 is equal to 2 cos theta plus I into 2 sin theta. On comparing coefficients, both sides, we get 2 cos theta is equal to -1, 2 sin theta is equal to minus root 3. So from this, cos theta is equal to -1 by 2, sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So observe here, both the values of cos theta and sin theta are negative. Both values of cos theta and sin theta are negative. So theta belongs to third quadrant. Whenever sin and cos are negative, then theta belongs to third quadrant. Therefore, argument of Z is equal to, we get minus of pi minus, this root 3 by 2 means that is nothing but 60 degrees value, or 1 by 2 means cos is 6 degrees value, so that is pi by 3. So on simplifying here, minus of 2 pi minus 3 pi minus pi by 3, that is equal to minus of 2 pi by 3. So this is the value of argument of a given complex number. Next, we are going to discuss about the polar form of a given complex number. Polar form. Polar form of given complex number. Z is equal to 1 minus I. 1 minus I. consider given complex number z equal to 1 minus I. Here the real part is 1 and imaginary part is a minus 1. So I'm going to finding first of all mod z value, nothing but small r is equal to square root of a square plus b square with 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. Square root of 1 plus 1, that is equal to square root of 2. So r equal to square root of 2. Now z equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta, but z equal to 1 minus I is equal to root over 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta. So that is equal to 1 minus I into root 2 into cos theta plus I into root 2 into sin theta. Now we have to compare both sides, the coefficients, then we get root 2 into cos theta is equal to 1 and root 2 into sin theta is equal to minus 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, sin theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So here observe the cos value is positive and sin value is negative. So cos is positive and sin is negative. In a we have fourth quadrant. So theta belongs to Q4. Theta belongs to Q4. But here 1 by root 2 means which degree value? Obviously it is a pi by 4 value. But theta is negative here. So here theta is equal to minus pi by 4. Theta equal to minus pi by 4. Therefore, the polar form of a given complex number is equal to polar form of z is equal to r into r means root 2 into cos theta, theta value minus pi by 4, cos of minus pi by 4 plus I into sin of minus pi by 4. So therefore z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So r value we have root 2, cos theta means cos of minus pi by 4 plus I into sin of minus pi by 4, which is a polar form of a given complex number. So we have the similar models we can practice by taking some more complex numbers.